Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to my space. Today we are tying these styles you can see on my screen, and they are very simple to achieve. Trust me, guys. So here is my material. You see how I folded a bit in, then I begin to make the pleat. You make the pleat all through the way it is seen in this video. Then you need your office pin. You need your elastic band for this Ankara tutorial. So if you want sharp head wrap, I always tell you, you need your elastic band, you need your office pin, get them ready and get your material closer. So I'm done pleating the edge there, so I play from the back of my head, then the excess I'll take it around the pleat I made like that. Then the excess will be secured at the middle. So if you have a very lengthy material, you just go around as many times, like two or thrice, then you secure the remaining at the hole where you'll be needing your office pin to grab both edges together to make it firm on your head. Once you are done, you can bring the pleated part together like this. If you want to stretch out, you stretch it out like this, then you pin it down in both edges. You are good to go. So guys, if you haven't followed this page for headwrap tutorials, kindly join this community by clicking on that follow button, and do not forget to share, like and leave your comment below, as I like to hear feedback from my people. Thanks for doing that. Okay guys, let's continue. I'm still on it. You can see I've pinned both edges, and here is the outcome. Can we see the back? So it's quite simple. In less than 2 minutes, guys, you are ready for that O1 bear with your Ankara material. So let me show you the other style. I said I loosen up both edges, then I grab it towards the back where I'll be using my office pin to tack it together. So I'm just adjusting the front. So let's wait and see the outcome of that. Very simple and easy. Yeah, here is it, guys. That's the second one. We'll be going for the third one now. Stick around and let's see how it looks. So here is the third one. I have to remove it pata from my hair, so I remove everything. Then you can see how I held it at the middle, and I make this split. I'll be needing elastic band as well to grab both pleated parts together. So I pleated it, and I use this elastic band to grab it. Then let's see what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm just going to place it right on my head, and the excess I'll use elastic band again to grab it. If you have excess material at the back, you might likely not need elastic band at the back. So here I am at the front. I'll just come to the front and stretch those parts. Just stretch them out, stretch them, take your time, be careful and stretch out. When you stretch out, you're going to have something like this. Yeah, here is what we have. And what do you think? Which one do you like most among the three that I just showed you? Let me hear from you guys. Bye.